Alright, well, this is pretty much a demonstration of my Trojan that I did not mean to make to destroy the computer, but basically you would just have this executable file that you would download from the internet or something. So I just downloaded it onto my virtual box so I don't destroy my actual computer. So let's see what happens when I run it. The problem is that it won't actually... Okay, so if you run it, Windows Defender is going to see like, hey, this is like exe. It pretty much does that if it doesn't recognize the publisher. But we'll just run anyway to showcase this. So what happens is it goes through every single directory in my on the computer, and it embeds itself into the Windows registry and adds a bunch of commands to start up wherever the exe is copied to. So usually I would not have it, so I just clicked on it, so now it's stopped, so it's paused. But usually I would have it so this console window does not pop up, so it runs silently in the background once you run this. And so hit enter, it'll keep going, but for our purposes we're not going to let it run all the way because it takes quite a long time. So we're just going to stop it. So after you're done, you can go ahead and browse your stuff as usual. Nothing seems to be the problem. However, the problem happens when the user restarts their computer. That is when the issues start to pop up heavily, and we're about to see that. It actually destroys the computer essentially. I do not. So this is why this Trojan is pretty bad. So we'll just let it boot up here. Okay, so just log in here. So we logged in. Well, we're logging in, and everything seems pretty normal right now. Everything seems to be going all right. Nothing has popped up yet. Oh, we see like a little loading sign. So, as a standard user, we'd be just chilling rather. And then, oh no. So this is why this Trojan is pretty bad. So all those exes that were just opened up, it is now copying itself again and again and again and again and again and again. So the reason why these are getting errors is because they keep trying to embed itself. So you can see that the worm has sort of so obviously if I try to exit out of these are not going to stop popping up. And it's pretty bad. It keeps trying to copy itself. These ones are being successful right here, but these ones are not because these ones are running in parallel. And so maybe if we can wait this out. I can't even stop. It's too many processes. I wonder if I can just end it from the command line, or not from the command line, from the task manager. Where is the task manager? Look at all those worms. Oh god, I can't even get to the task manager to... If I can just... Oh no. I wonder if I can just log off and see what happens. Let me just log off. Okay. See if it'll work, because I want to show the registry. Okay, so I guess it doesn't. So if you just log off, everything's okay. So we can just look at the registry here. I believe it is in software, Microsoft. So it embeds itself. So, oh no, oh no. I can't even. Oh jeez. I can't even like begin to look at, oh no. I can't even, if I can get to, I believe it's here, and current version, then run. You can see that this is where the worm has embedded itself, and this data right here. Oh my goodness. That's where the path of the worm exe is. So that's why all of these are popping up right now currently. So obviously you can wait it out and close out of all of them, but every single time you log back in or you turn on your computer, this is what's going to happen. So what you're going to have to do is pretty much essentially delete all of these, and you have to make sure you delete every single one, because if you just miss one, it'll come right back and add them all to the registry. And you have possibly 5. You need to go up here in the local machine users, root, current config, and see if they're in there as well, because it tries every single one. So obviously this computer is unusable, and I can't do anything. I cannot do anything at all. Like I literally cannot do anything besides just wait it out. You can see, let's check out the task manager again. I can't even get to the task manager to stop these processes. It's crazy. So that's pretty much my Trojan. I gotta reinstall this version of Windows again because I destroyed it, obviously. Alrighty.